Hey everyone, so today we've got another LA weave for you. So this is another application video for you. So if you want to see how this turns out, keep on watching. So today's LA weave is a multi-tonal weave. As well as thickness and length, it's going to add like a multi-dimensional look to her actual blonde hair. So Kelly's just applying this in her usual unique way. And in our previous couple of videos, you've seen her actually slice and cut into the client's hair, but she isn't doing it with this client because she doesn't need to. It's laying really nicely with the extensions. Obviously Kelly will let you know if it does need cutting to lay into the extension nicer. Is nicer even a word? I don't know, I think I've just made that one up. So it just depends what hair you already have and what like hair type and all stuff like that you have, depending on whether she will slice into it. So as you can see, this extension that she's applying today on the client is a really lovely multi-tonal extension. So obviously it's going to create a really nice multi-dimensional look to her hair. Like when she moves her hair, it's going to look different colours in different lights, and it's just going to complement her natural hair really nicely, and it's all going to blend in really nice together. So these extension guys do come in a variety of colours, variety of lengths. Obviously it all depends what you want to go for, what you want to like look, and obviously what you discussed with Kelly. So say if you was a brown and you wanted to go like obviously a bit of ombre, add a bit of blonde, you'd have to like obviously speak to Kelly and see what she could do for you. And this is obviously a really good way to get a really nice different colour. Obviously it's really safe, there's no heat, no damage, so it's just an overall perfect thing for your hair. So guys, here is the finished look. Can you see how the multi-tonal effects like comes into play in the hair? It's just absolutely gorgeous. It just looks really lovely, and every time she moves her hair it's going to look a different tone of blonde. So guys, here is a perfect example of how Kelly does it amazingly, so that you cannot see any extension at all, so you can get away with wearing your hair up. So guys, as always, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and any questions that you want to know, anything you want to see, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.